Hey London, got a MacBook Pro that's running a bit hot? At Minkos Max, we've got you covered. Did you know the heatsink in your MacBook Pro is crucial for keeping it cool and running smoothly? It absorbs heat from your CPU and GPU, ensuring your device stays in top performance shape. Without it, your MacBook can overheat, leading to crashes, reduced performance, and even permanent damage. That's where we come in. Minkos Max, your trusted independent Apple service provider in London, offers top-notch maintenance to keep your MacBook Pro's heatsink in perfect condition. Our expert technicians will clean out dust and debris, replace old thermal paste, and ensure your system is well ventilated. Why risk overheating and damage when you can enjoy smooth, stable performance? Visit us at minkosmax.com or drop by our London locations. Minkos Max, keeping your Apple products cool and running like new. Book your appointment today and give your MacBook Pro the care it deserves.